When it comes to safeguarding your beloved bicycle, the choice of the right lock is paramount. The world of bicycle locks offers a diverse range of options, each designed to provide varying levels of security and peace of mind. Whether you're a casual cyclist or a dedicated enthusiast, finding the best bicycle lock to suit your needs is essential. In this article, we will explore the top contenders in the realm of bicycle security, highlighting their features, durability, and overall effectiveness to help you make an informed decision and keep your two-wheeled companion safe. In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best bicycle locks available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user review before creating the bicycle locks list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the bicycle locks mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe our channel and press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5. Etook Heavy Duty Anti-Theft Folding Lock. The Etook Heavy Duty Anti-Theft Folding Lock is a pinnacle of bicycle security, offering uncompromising protection for your prized ride. Crafted from hardened steel alloy with heat treatment, this folding lock boasts an impressive 5 mm thickness, providing a robust barrier against theft. Its Swiss advanced lock cylinder, featuring unique pick-proof technology, ensures unparalleled security, while the patented anti-tamper rivets enhance durability, making it impervious to a variety of attacks. This professional-grade lock is not only reliable but also easy to use and carry, with a patented side-pulling design for convenient access. It's available in 2 lengths, S 75 cm and L 90 cm, to suit your needs and comes with a pair of copper-nickel alloy keys that are uncopyable without a unique key code. The package includes a lock bracket and screws for easy installation, along with a cable tie for added security. With a 4/6 security rating, the Etook folding lock ensures you'll never have to fear for your bicycle's safety, whether it's an e-bike, scooter, motorcycle, or any other vehicle. Number 4. West Biking Bicycle U-Lock. The West Biking Bicycle U-Lock is a robust and dependable choice to safeguard your valuable possessions. With its bold anti-theft design, this U-Lock offers a high level of security, making it an excellent choice for cyclists and motorbike enthusiasts. Crafted from high-quality steel and featuring a copper lock cylinder with a durable silicone cover, it is built to withstand the toughest conditions. Measuring 205/160 mm and weighing approximately 905 g, it's a versatile and portable option for securing your bike, motorcycle, door, electric vehicles, and more. The package includes 2 keys for added convenience, and the included mount bracket ensures easy transportation. Protect your assets with this durable, anti-theft U-Lock from West Biking. Number 3. Etook Mountain Road Bike Chain Lock. The Etook Mountain Road Bike Chain Lock is the epitome of security and durability for your cycling needs. Crafted with precision, this chain lock features an advanced Swiss lock cylinder with a unique 5-pin combination, providing superior protection against technical lock picking. The key's ultra-thin profile, 0.3 to 0.6 mm, ensures protection against unauthorized duplication. Constructed from specially heat-treated hardened steel alloy, this 7 mm thick chain is virtually impenetrable, offering resistance against thumping, sawing, shearing, and drilling. Encased in a high-density 900D Oxford cloth sleeve, this chain lock is not only durable but also waterproof. Safeguarding both the chain and your bicycle's paintwork, with a substantial 1000 mm length, this chain lock offers versatility and convenience, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. 2 keys are included for your convenience. When it comes to anti-theft and protection, the Etook chain lock is your reliable companion. Number 2. Smart Fingerprint Bike Lock. The Smart Fingerprint Bike Lock is your ideal choice for modern and secure bicycle protection. Crafted with high-quality steel and a protective coating, this lock offers durability and safeguards your valuables from scratches. Versatile and suitable for various bicycle types, including mountain bikes and electric cars, it provides peace of mind. This innovative lock offers 2 convenient ways to unlock, via fingerprint or Bluetooth compatibility. With the ability to store up to 15 fingerprint sets, it's perfect for sharing access with family and friends. The flexible wire and coil rope design keeps your lock compact when not in use. It's USB rechargeable and designed for long standby time. With an IPX65 waterproof rating and a sliding cover for added protection, this lock ensures your bike's safety in various weather conditions. Its ergonomic design makes it easy to use and transport. Get the Smart Fingerprint Bike Lock for advanced security and convenience in one package. Number 1. West Biking Anti-Theft Combination Lock. The West Biking Anti-Theft Combination Lock is your ultimate solution for securing your bicycle, motorcycle, or electric bike. This lock offers a combination of features that make it an ideal choice for safety-conscious riders. It's foldable, allowing for easy storage in a backpack or suitcase when not in use. The high-quality aluminum alloy construction ensures durability, making it a long-lasting and robust choice. The lock's innovative connection method ensures a tight and robust connection point, offering higher protection against theft. Crafted from hardened steel alloy with heat treatment, it can withstand attempts at cutting and drilling, providing top-notch security. With an extended length of 1,200 mm and an 8 mm thickness, it's versatile for a wide range of two-wheelers. The lock's ease of use, side-mounting bracket, and convenient installation make it a practical choice. Additionally, it comes with a beautiful box packaging. Choose the West Biking Anti-Theft Combination Lock for reliable and comprehensive protection. In the world of bicycle security, choosing the best lock is paramount, and the options are diverse. Whether you're a casual rider or a dedicated enthusiast, the Etook heavy-duty folding lock, the West Biking Bicycle U-Lock, and the Smart Fingerprint Bike Lock are all stellar choices, offering a range of security features and designs to fit your specific needs. These locks provide peace of mind, ensuring your beloved bike stays safe in a variety of scenarios.